Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about tutorial how to create a website for farm to table experiences business easy and quick. So first type tutorial on the search. So as we know, tutorial website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So also we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first let's sign in. Create new business. Now enter your business name. Type any business name you want. Now choose your select your industry. And now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. Now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first thing, let's go to the first section on the website, the header section. You can edit it from here. Here you can change your site name. You can also turn this on, replace company name with a logo. You can upload a file, and here if you want to change the label or add a link here, you can also turn this on and open link in a new page. Here you can turn this on and edit your social links. You can add a channel, just select the type of the social link, and here you can add the link. The style of the section, if you want to edit it from here, the positioning, the social icon, the size or the shape. If you want to turn this on, the full width or this. Also the spacing, if you want to edit the spacing or the background, the color of the background, if you want to edit it. So let's save this. If you want to add a section on your website, just select any section here, and that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner section. You can edit it from here. You can change the heading if you want. Just click regenerate and it will be changed. The subtext, you can also change it from here. Just click regenerate and it will be changed. If you want to change the label, also here you can change the link or add a new link, and that's it. If you want to edit the style, the spacing or the horizontal alignment or the background, also here you can generate another image, and you can edit the image position. You can edit the background overlay, the color, and here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, the image section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can generate another image. Here if you want to edit the image position, also you can edit the style of the section if you want to make it screen like this, and if you want to turn this off or on. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's move on to the next section, the text section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can generate another text. You can edit the style or the size of the writing here. So let's move on. Let's save this. Next section is the list section of the website. You can edit from here. You can change this. Here if you want to edit display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. You can also edit your list items. You can add the list item here. You can generate image. Here if you want to edit the image position, also here you can generate a title. You can generate the content if you want, and here if you want to add a label or add the link, you can also open this, open link in a new page. You can turn this on. So that's it. Now let's close this, and here if you want to edit the style of this section, the alignment or the image or the spacing or the background, so let's close this. The next section is the testimonial section. If you want to add testimonial from here, you can generate the code. You can generate by who, and also here if you want to upload a file. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the gallery section of the website. You can edit from here. You can change this. You can generate another image. Also here if you want to upload image from browser, just search on the browser and put it here and it will be uploaded. So for example, let's choose some image from here. For example, this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the heading alignments, or if you want to edit the type, the image, the spacing, or the vertical alignment, the background, the color of the background. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the location section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can change the heading. Also, if you want to change your business address, you can add text file. You can add change the title or add the new title here. You can add the content. You can also edit the style of the section, the type, the theme, or and the rounded corners, the align map if you want to make it like this, the marker color if you want to change the marker color. Also here if you want to change the background color, you can change it. So that's it. Now let's save this and let's move on. Next section, the contact form section. You can edit it here. You can generate another contact form. You can also manage files. You can turn this on, and custom input labels. You can generate the form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the last section on the website, the footer. You can edit or change the business name. You can also turn this on and replace company name with the logo. You can upload a file. Here if you want to add additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details. You can edit your social links, and here if you want to add a channel, just select the type, for example Facebook, and here put the link. So that's it. Let's save this. If you want to regenerate the content or the style or the entire section, just select any option here you want and it will be changed. If you want to duplicate the section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to delete it, just click delete and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down from here. So now after you're done from editing your website business, let's save this. All you have to do now is publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.